Hi there, my name is Hayley Sparks and I'm a skincare and wellness expert with over 15 years of experience. Today we're going to be talking about seasonal changes to your skin and body care. Springtime means the flowers are coming back in bloom and the sun is coming out and the days are getting longer again. But with the spring comes pollen and another seasonal transition for our skin to deal with. In the UK, spring can be a bit unpredictable, but as the environment comes back to life, here are a few things to look out for to make our skin feel rejuvenated and at its best. We can start to strip back on the heavy-duty products in our skincare routine from winter, so retire those thick formulas from the colder months and opt for lightweight products instead. For instance, a cream or oil cleanser can be swapped for a gentle foaming option instead. As always, we should still be using products containing SPF as the days are starting to get longer. On hot days when you intend to be outside for longer than an hour, stick to sunscreen, but for shorter periods, an SPF moisturiser of 30 or higher should do the trick. Vitamin C is great all year round, but very important in the warmer months. For you hay fever sufferers out there, vitamin C promotes collagen production, which can help shield your skin against pollen absorption. The main concerns associated with the summer months are sun exposure, high temperature and high humidity. Usually hotter and sunnier, this can have the damaging effect of dehydrating your skin and causing sun damage. The rising temperature and humidity can also mean we produce more oils and sweat, so our skin has to work harder to prevent breakouts. The hotter temperatures and longer hotter days means hydration has to be a priority for our skin's wellness and general well-being. Drinking the recommended 2 litres of water a day can help leave the skin feeling plump and moisturised. It is very important to adequately protect your skin and remain well hydrated. If you're out and about, ensure you have water and a high SPF sunblock. Remember, you can still get sunburn even on cloudy days, so I'd recommend having SPF all year round to make sure you're fully protected. For extended periods outside, opt for sunscreen and limiting exposure to sunlight where possible. If you do find yourself with an unfortunate sunburn, aloe vera is a natural ingredient that helps soothe burns with its cooling properties. More sun also means more sweat and an increase in sebum production, creating more oils. So when sweat mixes with a concoction of bacteria and oil, it clogs pores, making it difficult for acne sufferers in hotter weather. To help prevent breakouts, wash sweaty clothes, hats and towels after use. Make sure to keep your skincare products lightweight too, so they don't add to any problems your skin might be experiencing in the summer. Autumn is one of the more changeable months in terms of the weather, where it begins to get colder, but is still capable of bright sunshine. It's what's known as a transitional season, where the weather is more varied and inconsistent. A key weather change in this time is the decreasing humidity. At the same time, your sebum production decreases and the central heating is starting to power up. Our behaviours during these cooler months, putting on the central heating, hot showers and warming drinks, all have the unfortunate result of stripping our skin of even more moisture than the elements alone. And so hydration should be your biggest focus during autumn. You should think of your barrier like a raincoat in autumn. Super light moisturiser used for warmer months can be switched out for formulas that are rich in nutrients and have a thicker consistency to give proper protection against the elements. Balms, oils and creams that are slightly thicker will help keep up the skin barrier between yourself and your changing environment. I'd recommend Dr. Organic Aloe Vera Skin Lotion to help with this. Using an exfoliator is a good way of clearing dry, dead skin. Just be sure to use something that's gentle, such as a Yume Turmeric face scrub, so that your skin remains soft and balanced. Don't be fooled by the cooling temperatures when it comes to sun damage on the skin. Cloudy days can be misleading when it comes to sun damage on the skin, but we should still be wearing products containing SPF even if the sun isn't out. This includes lip care too, so reaching for a rich lip balm can help with the transition into winter. Evolve Bio Retinol Plus C Booster, a form of vitamin A, can increase the skin's sensitivity to sunlight and therefore is easier to incorporate into your skincare regime during the darker months. Retinol promotes cell turnover and regulates oil flow. If you are going to use a retinol, start slowly so your skin can build up a tolerance to it and work your way up from there. Winter usually consists of the coldest months of the year, and the temperatures change between being outside and coming inside, where it will be significantly warmer, can be tough on the skin. Many people suffer from dry skin in the winter from the harsh winds and change from outdoor to indoor temperatures. It can cause irritation and cause sensitivity as our skin is lacking moisture. This limits the enzymes on the skin from creating and maintaining that barrier of protection. The most obvious way to prevent dryness and tackle the low humidity of winter is to use moisturizers. Switch out the lightweight products for richer, nourishing face creams in the winter to really bulk up the skin barrier. I think something like Ren Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream could be really useful for the winter months. With the shorter days and longer nights, we get less vitamin D from the sun, which can leave our skin feeling a bit dull. Sometimes the skin will overcompensate from this dryness by producing excess oils, which we don't want. In this case, when cleansing your skin at the end of the day, opt for a gentle pH balanced cleanser to help repair the skin barrier. Personally, I'd recommend Womisa Organic Flowers Foaming Gel. Ease up on exfoliating as frequently and avoid using harsh products on the skin during this time. Try to keep your skin moisturized as much as possible to create a barrier between your skin and your environment. If you do exfoliate, wash your face in circular motions, not being rough or pulling on the skin. Exfoliation is good for getting rid of dry or dead skin cells on the skin surface, but don't forget to moisturize straight after to ensure it stays plump and soft. This applies to not just the face, but also your body. Chapped lips are an indicator that the skin's barrier is struggling, and developing dry hands in winter is very common. Despite how tempting it can be, turning down the temperature in the shower after stepping in from the cold can help prevent further damage to your delicate skin barrier and prevent dryness. While products are great, it's easy to forget simple tricks like staying hydrated throughout the day and ensuring your diet is rich with vitamins and minerals. These are great fixes to give your skin and body the boost it needs. So those were my top tips for switching up your seasonal skincare routine to make sure your skin is looking the best throughout the whole year. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you can use these tips to keep your skin looking supple and fresh during the spring season. If you found this video useful, why not check out our other videos or head to the Holland Barrett Health Hub.